Arshine Group Company Limited was founded in Shenzhen in 2007. For more than a decade, Arshine Group has been based in China with a global perspective. With an average annual growth rate exceeding 30%, it has become a leading service group in China's large health industry chain. The group's business scope covers the entire field of the broad health industry, including pharmaceutical APIs and excipients, veterinary APIs, food additives, feed additives, and other areas. Arshine Pharmaceutical Company Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of Arshine Group. It is a global pharmaceutical company integrating production, research and development, and trade. The company offers a wide range of products, with thousands of product varieties, providing diversified choices for various needs. Building upon the foundation of exporting traditional pharmaceutical APIs such as antibiotics, hormones, vitamins, and antipyretic analgesic drugs, the company has also vigorously expanded into the treatment areas of respiratory, cardiovascular, and central nervous systems, focusing on specialty APIs, key intermediates, and pharmaceutical excipients. To gain deeper insights into customer demands and market dynamics, the company actively participates in over 10 domestic and international pharmaceutical exhibitions, including CPHI Europe, Shanghai, Korea, and Asia Pharma Expo. In addition, we visit overseas markets multiple times each year to ensure we fully understand and meet customer demands. With over a decade of procurement experience and economies of scale, our company has established stable and favorable partnerships with over $1,000 high-quality suppliers worldwide. We have also established dedicated sample rooms and laboratories to conduct strict testing on the appearance, physico-chemical properties, chemical indicators, and content of the products, ensuring product quality. Furthermore, the company offers a range of additional services aimed at providing customers with comprehensive support. We have a dedicated compliance team that provides product registration and various types of document support to help customers enter the market smoothly. In addition to offering customized production services for pharmaceuticals, including CRO, CMO, and CDMO, we can also provide one-stop procurement services for pharmaceutical packaging materials, equipment, and machinery. Furthermore, we act as auditors for suppliers on behalf of customers, helping them save significant time, manpower, and resources. We can also provide standard reference materials for customer comparison. Our company also has overseas offices in various countries and regions, including Russia and Bangladesh, enabling rapid response to customer needs. Arshine Pharmaceutical has provided professional human API supply solutions to millions of customers, earning widespread acclaim. We believe that Arshine Pharmaceutical can play a more significant role in the global pharmaceutical market and make greater contributions to the cause of human health through continuous and unremitting efforts.